Americans' confidence in the economy has hit the lowest point in nearly 4 years. A new Gallup poll shows that just 16% rate the economy as excellent or good. 49% say it's poor. 76% say economic conditions are getting worse, the highest reading since 2023. Just 20% of Americans say conditions are improving. And Ali Vitale, at the top of this hour, we played some sound from Speaker Johnson being bullish about Republicans' chances this November. But we know that elections are often decided on economic issues, particularly midterms. And those numbers right there, very scary ones for Republicans.
Well, once again, the shoe is on the other foot. And this used to be an issue that Republicans had solid control and confidence in, led in part by President Donald Trump, who always was viewed as better on the economy. Certainly that manifested in voters' minds in 2024. We are never going to hear the speaker say, gosh, yeah, things really do look bad for us. Once he starts doing that, the whole ball game is over. He's still got fundraising to do. He's still got enthusiasm to keep high. But it's why private Republican sentiment is so instructive and often is. There is concern. There is hand-wringing over the fact that the Iran war has made it seem that the administration's focus is split, but that also it is having bottom-line impact on what Americans are paying, for example, at the gas pump. But then also consider the way that Republicans left town just a few days ago for a week-long recess. They were supposed to pass this reconciliation bill that was going to be immigration-focused. It should have been quite simple. And then it became completely complicated by, are we putting $1 billion in funding for a ballroom into it? Are we giving $1.8 billion in potential slush fund forgiveness to January 6th rioters? All of that led to the potential for a veto threat if some of those priorities weren't included in what, again, should have been a simple reconciliation bill. It led to Republicans leaving town, not being able to do anything on another issue that was signature for them in 2024, which was immigration. And so there is this sense that they haven't done a ton with their majorities, but it is very key in the minds of voters that Republicans control not just the White House, but both houses of Congress. And that's going to stay in their mind as they question, are things better for me on the kitchen table issues that Johnson himself says are going to be decisive in these midterm elections? And we're going to watch as key constituencies that, yes, voted Republican in November question, are they part of that coalition permanently, or are they swing voters, specifically Hispanics in places like Texas, for example?
All right. Well, speaking of voters in Texas.